In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Now this will wipe away all your user data, and you can perform a factory reset if you want to sell or give away your TV, or maybe if you're encountering some problems with the software of the TV and you just want to reset it and start again on a clean slate. So to do this, just go to settings and then all settings, and then go to general and privacy, select that, and then scroll down to reset, select that, and then enter your pin. Now if you had set up your pin, then enter that pin that you'd set up. If you have not set up your pin, then the default pin is 0000, and once you enter, you should see this pop-up window. It says if you proceed, all data will be deleted, including your account information, downloaded apps, and settings. Now keep in mind that this means your account will be deleted from the TV. The Samsung account itself will not be deleted. It's only going to be deleted from the TV. So just confirm by selecting reset, and then that's going to begin the factory reset process. This is also what you call a hard reset of your TV. So it says the TV will automatically restart automatically after the reset is complete. So just be patient. Now, once it's done resetting, the TV will actually go off and then restart, as you can see. And then it's going to go to the initial setup screen, from where you have to set up your TV afresh like it was a brand new TV. Hopefully this is going to fix all the problems you had with your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.